MDA ke NPP na not tura Thomas Sangma ula Thep kyrteng yeladi na ka bynta banya īing ha ka eleksyon Lamphang ka īing Dorbar Thawaiñ ka jilla Meghalaya ka bon long ha ka khandai tri ulber arja arpulai. Thomas uday kyrtong yamon lang ka sorkar MDA 2 ya ka bala lam khma da ka NPP da ka jing kersan ka UDP, BJP, PDF, HSPDP bat ki MLA Lamphang.
I am very grateful to the Honorable Chief Minister and his Council of Ministers, the Meghalaya Democratic Alliance number 2, and all the honorable members from across all party spectrum for having put their trust and faith in me and proposing my name to be in the chair of the speaker, to be in the post of speaker. So I'm very grateful to this MDA government. But let's see. I don't know whether the opposition side will also set up a candidate. So I will not be able to say anything now. No, not at all. Not at all. I have no regrets. I'm quite happy. And this MDA 1 government has given me a lot of opportunities to work for my people closely. That's the reason I have come back with a thumping majority also.